Now these two are the main types, parliamentary and presidential system. Now we will learn about the parliamentary system, parliamentary system of government, parliamentary system of government. The parliamentary system of government developed primarily in England. Parliamentary system, it's a system just, and it has been developed primarily in England. It's important for the fill in the blanks. It may be parliamentary system was developed in England. The English constitution is an unwritten constitution. Here English constitution, it is an unwritten constitution. The governance is carried out in accordance with the tradition and customs and conventions, and initially the England's constitution was in unwritten form, and the governance is carried out with the accordance or with the reference with the traditions and the customs and the conventions, right? And the British Parliament is an institution that has evolved over a period of time. The parliamentary system of government having its roots in Parliament is considered as a contribution of England, and here the first unwritten constitution, it was of England, and after that the British Parliament and its institution has evolved over a period of time, and the new system has took roots having its roots in Parliament. It considered as a contribution of England, and the England's, it is the contribution of the England. They started the parliamentary system very first. The contribution of England, it is considered as a Parliament is a having its roots in Parliament and is considered as a contribution of England. India has adopted this parliamentary system. We can see some broad similarities in the parliamentary system of England and the parliamentary system of India. And before going to make our constitution, Dr. Ambedkar and their committee they studied about the different countries' parliament, and this parliamentary system has been adopted by the Indian government from England, and we can see many of the similarities are there between Indian parliament, Indian government, Indian parliamentary system and of England, means of England's and Indian parliamentary systems. Many of the things are similar, and they took this from the England's constitution. But when looked at the institutional level, the Indian parliamentary system is different in its content. Though the Indian government has adopted this parliamentary system from England, then also many similarities are there between England's and Indian parliamentary system. Then also, if we look at an institutional level, there are many differences in the content of Indian parliamentary system and Britishers or in the England's parliament, right? Parliamentary system of India, they adopted it from England's parliamentary system, and there are the similarities, but Indian parliamentary system is different in its content. Let us understand the characteristic of the Indian parliamentary system of government in India. And here now some of the some of the characteristics are given of the Indian parliamentary system that we will learn in the next video. So in this video we learn about the England's constitution, the unwritten constitution. After that they have adopted, or the parliamentary system of government took its roots in England, and it is the contribution of England for the parliamentary system, and India has adopted this system from parliamentary system of England and the parliamentary system of India. There are some of the similarities, and what are the but if we study it on the institutional level, the Indian parliamentary system is little different The content of Indian parliamentary system is different in its content.